This is an unboxing, so I have never opened this up yet. And so let's go ahead and do this together. We're going to find out what's actually inside of the box together. So we've got our instruction manual here, the tape that goes around the, what is it called? The threading. I have no idea what's actually inside of this. Oh, it's the actual shower head itself. All right. Put this bad boy. Oh, wow. This feels so nice. This feels so nice. I like the way this feels. Oh, and I guess you have your little modes here on the back. Like I said, I've never opened this up. This feels solid, man. This feels solid. Okay. We've got our hose. We're going to save that for later. I don't know, this thing fell out of the bag, I think. So let's take this off. All right, let's take this off. Okay, these are pretty nice. I'm not sure if these come off or not, but we will not touch that because maybe they should not come off. Okay, we'll put this here, put this back. And then we have our... So we hook this up to the actual shower itself. Then we hook this up to the hose, and then we're able to put our shower head right here. So let's put this here, put that there. All right, we've got our gasket thing. Oh, we also have this right here. So I wonder if both of those fell off. All right. Let's take a look at the instructions. All right, so this is telling you to activate your warranty. So we have our instruction. Is it literally just one? Okay, I thought it was just one page. So here are our instructions. We will read those later once we're going through the actual installation process. And then here is our tape that we will use to wrap around our threads. So that's what all comes with it. We've got our hose. Whoops. We've got our shower head. We've got our tape. We've got our gasket things. And we've got another gasket back here, which, yeah. We've got this. Let me make sure no other gaskets or anything fell out anywhere. Yeah, so that's, seems to be what all comes in the box.